Hello students, now today we will see exercise 2.1 question 2 of second chapter fractions and decimals. So question 2 is arrange the following in descending order. So first of all, what is descending order? Descending order means decreasing order. You need to start from big to small. Okay, decreasing order. सबसे पहले जो सबसे बड़ा वाला fraction है bigger one, then smaller than that, and then this way you need to go on arranging. So decreasing order we need to arrange big to small, decreasing order. So let us start. Our first question is 2 upon 9, 2 upon 3 and 8 upon 21. As you can see, the denominators given over here are different. Okay, they are all unlike fraction. For arranging in descending order, first of all we need to make the denominator same. Okay, so denominators we need to make same. So we will take out LCM of these three. So first step will be our LCM. So 9, 3 and 21 we need to take out LCM of 9, 3 and 21. So 9, 3 and 21, all three are coming in the table of 3. So we will start with 3. So 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are, and this is 3 7s are. Now next step, 3 1s are, this one same and 7 same. Now 7 1s are 7 and these both are same. Now we will multiply this 3. So our answer will be 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7. So 3 3s are 9 and 7 9s are 63. So what is our LCM? Our LCM is 63. So 63 is our LCM. So 63 should be the denominator of these three fractions. Okay, so let us start. Our first fraction is 2 upon 9. Our first fraction is 2 upon 9. Now 9 is given, we want 63. So 9, how many za is 63? You need to speak out the table of 9 and check out that 9, how many za will give you 63. So 9 7 za is 63, we know that. Okay, so 9 7 za. So this fraction we will multiply by 7. So 2 upon 9 will be multiplied by 7. So 2 7 za will be 14 and 7 9 za will be 63. So this is our first fraction. Now coming to second fraction, that is 2 upon 3. 2 upon 3. Now 3, how many za is 63? Now some students may not know orally that 3 how many za is 63. Because you people are knowing table till 3 10 za or 11 za or 12 za. So 3, how many za will give you 63? So there is one shortcut to find out this. See, look here. Here already we have taken out the factors. So we need to find out that 3 into what will give you 63. So in the denominator 3 is already there, right? 2 upon 3, 3 is already there. So out of this 3, 1 3 already we have, so that we don't have to see. Now what is left? 3 and 7. So 3 7s are 21. So this fraction will be multiplied by 21. So 2 upon 3 will be multiplied by 21. You can check 3 21s will be 63. Now multiplying, so 2 1s will be 2 and 2 2s will be 4. So 42 upon 63. Now third fraction is 8 upon 21. 8 upon 21. Now again same logic we will apply. 21 how many is 63? That orally some students may not know. 21 how many is 63? So very simple. Again come back over here. See, we have 21. Already 21 we have in the denominator. So other than that, what we need to multiply? Okay, 21 is there. So out of this 3 7s are 21. See, this 3 and 7, 21. So this we have. Okay, so we don't have to take this. Now what is left? This 3 is left. So this 3 is left. So that we will multiply. So we will multiply this fraction by 3. Now 8 3s will give you 24 and 21 3s will give you 63. Okay, fine. So these are our three fractions, 1, 2 and 3. Now see, the denominators are same, 63, 63 and 63. So now we can compare that which one is greater and which one is smaller. So let us write over here. Our three fractions are 14 upon 63. Now first is 14 upon 63. Second fraction is 42 upon 63 and third fraction is 24 upon 63. These are our three fractions after taking out LCM. Now 14, 42 and 24. Which one is greater? Descending order means big to small. So we need to write the fraction which is greater. That we need to write first. So 14, 42 and 24. Which one is greater? You have to see the numerator because denominators are same. So now we have to check out the numerators. 14, 42 and 24. Who is greater? This 42 is greater. So this fraction is greater. So we will write 42 upon 63 first. So 42 upon 63. This will come first. Now this is over. Now 14 and 24. Now out of these two, who is greater? 24. So now we will write 24 upon 63. Now what is remaining? 14. So 14 upon 63 we need to write. So 14 upon 63 is left. So 14 upon 63 we need to write over here. So this way we have already arranged in descending order. Okay, big to small. As you can see, this is the 42 is greater one, and then smaller than 42 is 24, then smallest one is 14. So we have arranged in decreasing order, that is descending order. Now our final answer will be descending order. Our final answer, descending order. 42 upon 63 means which fraction? You have to go back to the fraction. See, 42 upon 63 means which fraction? Original fraction was 2 upon 3. We have to arrange this, what is given in the question. Okay. So 42 upon 63 means, coming back here, which fraction it was? 2 upon 3. So in place of this, what we will write? 2 upon 3. Next is 24 upon 63. So 24 upon 63 means which fraction it was? 8 upon 21. See, 8 upon 21 from the question. So 8 upon 21. So 8 upon 21. Now last one, what is left out? 14. So 14 upon 63. So which fraction it is? 2 upon 9. So 2 upon 9 we will write over here. So whatever fractions was given in the question, that we have to arrange in descending order. First step, we have to take out LCM. After taking out LCM, we have to make the denominators same by multiplying. Okay, by multiplying whatever we want. We want to make it 63. So after multiplying, these are your three fractions. Denominators are same. Now you need to see the numerator, which one is greater, and accordingly you need to arrange. These are our three fractions. We have arranged in descending order. Descending order means बड़े से छोटा. ओके, बिग टू स्मॉल. तो सबसे पहले बड़ा वाला फ्रैक्शन रख देंगे 42, उससे छोटा 24, उससे भी छोटा 14. So this is our answer. But this is not our final answer. We need to arrange that fractions which are given in the question. So 42 upon 63, what was original fraction in the question? 2 upon 3. So in place of this 2 upon 3, in place of this 8 upon 21, in place of this 2 upon 9. So this is our final answer, descending order. Hope you understood. Now second sum is of same type. So second one, you people have to try yourself.